Hello, Kusuzangbo, Tashidele. I am in kitchen and I want to share you friends. Might be you know, but still I want to show how I cook. How I cook pumpkin, which one is very delicious, very easy. You can cook in many different ways, but I'll cook in my style. Just try once. You know, this is pumpkin. Look how beautiful. Then you have to cut in 2 pieces. After that, take it out the inside. Then put what you want to eat, vegetable or something. Then you can bake, just baking. After a few minutes, you will try how it is, or you can just steal it. See, it looks very, very nice. Mama mia! What is this? After 30 minutes, then your pumpkin, baking pumpkin with a very delicious vegetable is on your table. And try it. See, it's very, very good. I think it's good to eat with the hand rather than spoon or a fork but you have to cut with a knife. It's very, very yummy. If you try once, then you have to eat again and again. So if you like my cooking, you can comment below so I can cook next time again and share with you. Thank you very much.